Hey guys, welcome to our fall craft with us video. Please like and subscribe. We began our project by painting our mason jars white. We didn't have any white craft paint, so we just used some extra paint that we had from painting our house. After our mason jars dried, we wanted to sand them so that they would look a little aged and give them a more farmhouse feeling. We then wrapped each mason jar in this burlap ribbon we got from the Dollar Tree. All of the supplies you see us using here are from the Dollar Tree, and we just hot glued that down to keep it secure.
Next, we hot glued the leaves on top of the ribbon. We repeated this until we finished decorating our jars. Of course, my favorite part was using the glue gun.
On these jars, we decided to add 3 leaves because these leaves had flat color. They didn't have any glitter or any nice lines in them. So we thought the 3 leaves would make them look a little bit more festive. And here is what our jars looked like after we painted, added our ribbon, and added our leaves.
Now it's time to arrange the flowers.
Here we just played around with the flowers until we got them in a configuration that we liked. Again, these flowers are from the Dollar Tree, just like the burlap ribbon and the leaves that we glued to our mason jars.
Now here are the results.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.